Hi, I'm Dan Roloff, and welcome to my channel, Dan Roloff. And I do personal finance and investments. And today it's about investments, and we're talking about six stocks that are European bank stocks. So Europe today and banking stocks, and these are ones to invest in 2020. And today is November 22, 2020. So these are the share prices for this as of Friday this last week. So anyway, let's get started. Well, right before we get started, I want to talk about bank stocks. I have been doing a lot of investment, and all these investments that I'm going to talk about today that I've invested in have started after March this year. So it's been less than a year that I've had these investments. And some of them not very long ago, just several months ago. But anyway, I've invested in a lot of different stocks, but a lot of bank stocks. Uh, and I have found that bank stocks are very stable and they tend to go up. At least, I mean, maybe it's my timing or what, but I am really bullish on bank stocks. And I have a lot more than these. Yeah, I have a lot of U.S. bank stocks and some other stocks from uh, Australia and Africa and other places in the world. The only that is a bank stock that I've had trouble with that's gone down a little bit is China. So I don't know what the deal is with China. Of course, it's not quite as established as some of these other ones, but man, I really think you ought to think about bank stocks because I mean, and you get a dividend on almost all of them. There's a dividend paid, and it's pretty good. And right now, if you put money in a bank, you're lucky if you get a percent. Maybe some of them are a little more than a percent, but most of them are under a percent in your investment. It would be better to invest in the stock of these companies. You would get a higher dividend because some of them pay up to 5 or more percent. And then you get the appreciation and almost like I say, every stock has at least appreciated some, and most of them have appreciated a lot. So I highly recommend looking at bank stocks. I mean, it's almost a no loser. And so anyway, the ones I'm going to talk about today, I'm starting with the ones that have returned me the least on from bank stocks in Europe to the ones that have returned the most. So anyway, we'll get started. Number one is Lloyd's Bank Group, and their symbol is LYG, and their share price as of this week is $1.85 a share. So this one does not cost very much. You can get in this thing, buy a couple shares for less than $5. But I am up 26% on this stock. It's a bank stock. You would think bank stocks would go up this high, but they do. And this one's the least of the six here. Uh, their dividend, they're reporting right now is 8.58%, so over 8%. Um, I every I have not received a dividend except for one of these stocks so far. So I don't know if they only pay every 6 months, once a year on their dividend in Europe. It seems to be a different payout of of bank dividends in Europe. So I don't know what the deal is of that. But anyway, this one is it's 52-week high, just for information, is $3.50. So it looks to me like it's got room to go up. So you might want to think about this one. This one's out of the United Kingdom, or England, or London, wherever you want to talk about. Anyway, so and it's been around for a long time. So number two, and I hope I get this pronunciation right. It's Erste Group Bank. I'm sure I ruined it. Their symbol is EBKDY, and their share price right now is $13.79 a share, and I am up 29% on this one. They pay a dividend of 5.48%, and they're out of Austria. So Austria, a good place. So anyway, another one to look at. Number three is Santander Group, and their symbol is SAN. Their share price is $2.75 a share, and I am up 32% on this one. They pay a dividend of 2%, not a real high dividend, but their 52-week high for their share is $4. So it looks like it's still got some room to go up. And they are out of Spain. So it's a Spanish stock out of Spain. Okay, number four is UBS, and their symbol is UBS. And this one I have received a dividend from. And UBS is a major bank. You see there, if you watch golf, they sponsor a lot of golf players and different things in golf. So they're quite active in advertising. Their share price right now is $14.42 a share. I am up 43% on this one. Very good. And their dividend's pretty high, 7.31%. Well, 7% on this one. And they are a Swiss bank. And Swiss do banking really well. So this one, definitely, I would take a look at this one. They pay a good dividend. Okay, number five, Barclays, and their symbol is BCS. And you've probably heard of this stock or this company in banking. And their share price is $7.30 a share, reasonably priced. And I am up 64% on this one. 64%. Their dividend that I'm getting information on is 5.72%, or a little over 5%. So, and their 52-week high is $10. So this one looks like it's got room to grow too. Of course, it could always go above their 52-week high at any time. But anyway, and they're out of the United Kingdom, England, or London, or wherever you want to talk about. And they've been around for a long time. So, very established bank, pretty big. So number six, which is the last one, this one is ING, and their symbol is ING. And I've probably seen their ads too. They're a fairly big bank, and their share price right now is $9.14 a share. And I am up 80% on this one. 80%. So this one has really gone up. Their dividend is a 6.74%, and their 52-week high is $12. So looks like it's got room to go up too. So, and they're out of the Netherlands. So another European stock. So I would definitely take a look at these stocks. And bank stocks pay dividends, and all these are pretty good. So take a look at them and tell me what you think. And if you like this channel, give me a thumbs up, like button, subscribe. I'm putting out a video every week about investments and personal finance. Give me a comment. Have you invested in any of these stocks? Any other European stocks you might want to take a look at? And let me know how you're doing. So again, I wish you the best and blessings on your investments. Until then, next week we'll see it again. Bye.